Welcome to Kim's Kitchen. My children have asked me to do some videos because I chefed all over the world. I was very lucky to work with Gerard Gill at the Belvedere in Kensington, Malcolm Baggett, who works head chef at the Waldorf, and Serge Danzero was at the Region in Sydney, now at Bathers. I'm just going to show you some of the dishes that I do at home, and I hope you enjoy them. Today's going to be a Rosti with ham, fried egg and Swiss cheese. Enjoy. First thing you do is bake some potatoes. You can bake them the day before so they're easy to grate the next day, or you can bake them on the day and just let them cool down. Easy way to grate the potatoes is just cut them in half, leave the skin on, grate down. As soon as it hits the skin, you're ready, just throw away the skin. So we've got the grated potato. I've now put in some fried onion. Some people put it in grated raw, that's okay, but I do like just a bit of sweetness. Then you just put in some grated parmesan. It's as much as you like really. I mean, I do about half a cup to about 8 potatoes just to give it another bit of flavour. Just popping out to the garden to grab some parsley and chives. I mean, you can do that, or you can just grab some from your supermarket. They're optional really. So I've got my cheese, I've got my onion, I've got the lots of potato all grated. I'm putting in my chives and parsley from the garden. Again, it's as much as you want. Mine's quite a big couple of pinches in there. I like a little bit of pepper, again to taste, and salt. I use a light salt, but you can use anything you like. Again, that's just to taste. And then you mix it all together. So I've got all the ingredients together, and now all I'm going to do is mix it all up, and once it's all incorporated we are going to turn it into small patties. Once they're all mixed together, I've rolled them into balls. There was about a kilo of mix there, and I've made 5 because my kids like to eat quite a lot. So you can either do them in a ring, or if you can do them in just as they are. You've got the ball, just pat them down gently, shape them, give them a little press. Get them as flat as you can. Try and give them as much space across the top because we're going to put a fried egg on there later on. Or you can do what I do, I just pop it into a ring, push it down into the ring quite firmly, pull the ring off, flatten it out. It gets a bit more area to put your fried egg on later. That's the 5 Rosti that I've got out of that mix. They've been refrigerated all day and they're ready for frying. We've taken the Rosti out of the fridge, put them in a preheated pan with what oil you like. I'm using olive oil. When they're coloured, turn them over to the other side, and then when you get a nice golden colour, put them onto a tray, have a preheated oven about 160 centigrade, and put them in 15-18 minutes before you want to have dinner, and then we'll finish you off in a minute. I've taken the Rosti out of the oven. They were in there about 17 minutes. Put them on a board. I've got the ham and the Swiss cheese. So I've got 2 with ham on and 2 without plain. So you put the ham on room temperature, pop the fried egg on top, and then you put the Swiss cheese on top. I've set the grill on the oven, and I'm going to put it back under the grill for about 30 seconds until the cheese melts. The Swiss cheese has melted, so they're just going to go on the plate with a bit of black pepper. That's the finished dish. Rosti with ham, fried egg, Swiss cheese, which you can get sliced, put under the grill, finish with pepper. Served with a nice, take it to the grave, Shiraz from the Clear Valley. Enjoy. I'd like to say thank you for a little cameo role to Chelsea, who's been helping me, watching me all day cook the Rosti.